हमने उसको पुत्री का रूप दिया है, हमने उसे नाम दिया है अपना, हमने गोत्र भी दिया है। पारंपरिक रूप से तो वो हिंदू नहीं है, लेकिन वैचारिक रूप से वो हिंदू हो गई है।
This 61-year-old American woman you see in a pink salwar suit making rounds at the Mahakumbh Mela is a billionaire. That's right, meet Laureen Powell Jobs, the wife of late Apple co-founder Steve Jobs. In January 2025, she visited Prayagraj with a 40-member team to take part in the world's largest religious gathering. Laureen, a major donor of the Democratic Party, has been accorded the Hindu name Kamla by the Niranjani Akhara.
वो बहुत सरल है, बहुत सहज है, वो बहुत सरल है, सहज है और बहुत सात्विक है। वो बहुत सात्विक है। उसका बहुत भाव रहता है कि हम पूजन करें गुरु जी के साथ। वैसे तो देखो, हम उसके गुरु भी हैं, उसके पिता के समान भी हैं।
She will be following the footsteps of Kailash Anand Giri Maharaj of the Akhara and living by the rules of Kalpavas for 10 days before returning for Trump's swearing in on January 20th. Kalpavas is an ancient form of self-purification for a set period of time that involves bathing in the sacred river water, meditating, chanting, and consuming only sattvic meals. It also means sleeping on the ground and maintaining a basic lifestyle. Laureen also visited the Kashi Vishwanath temple in Varanasi but wasn't allowed to touch the Shivling, as Swami Kailash Anand explained his duty to uphold traditions and that anyone other than a Hindu cannot touch the Shivling.
और आज वो हमारी परंपरा को सीखना चाहती हैं, जानना चाहती हैं, मानना चाहती हैं और कहीं न कहीं हमारी परंपरा से जुड़ना चाहती हैं।
Laureen, who manages the Steve Jobs Trust now, is also the 25th most powerful woman in the world, with a net worth of $15 billion as per the Forbes 2023 list. Laureen had met Steve Jobs in October of 1989 when he was delivering a lecture at Stanford University. And she was a new MBA student who happened to sit in the front row. They later had dinner that night and the rest was history. A year and a half later, Jobs married Laureen in a Buddhist ceremony and had 3 kids together, also making Laureen the stepmother to Steve's daughter from his previous relationship. While this is Laureen's second known visit to India, Steve Jobs had also traveled to India in the mid-1974s to visit Neem Karoli Baba in Nainital. The Mahakumbh is the largest congregation of humanity, held at the confluence of 3 sacred rivers, Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati, and will go on until the end of February. In 2025, the Mahakumbh is being held after 12 years, keeping up with being the world's largest cultural and spiritual gathering, made even more special because of a rare celestial alignment that occurs only once in 144 years. What are your thoughts on Laureen Powell Jobs' visit to the Kumbh? Let us know in the comments below.